final goal of our project is to convert a conventional 3D printer into a 3D printer that is able to print chocolate. The conventional 3D printer uses PLA to print a 3D model. To make this possible, to print with chocolate, it is necessary to make changes to the nozzle unit of the 3D printer. Basically, the whole nozzle unit has to be newly designed. After converting the nozzle unit, we can print complex forms with chocolate in a quick and efficient way. The nozzle unit we are building is going to be heavier than the current one. For this reason, we must choose appropriate materials so the nozzle unit stays as light as possible. With the consideration of this problem, we have concluded that it would be best if the nozzle unit parts are made from aluminium or PLA, so that it stays as light as possible. The other benefit of these materials is that they are relatively cheap.
The 3D printing device has a raw material for the printer, food supply derived from cocoa, chocolate. Among these are chocolate, semi-sweet for cake shop and covered with an amount of fat low to greater than 92%, containing cocoa, base, butyric fats, lecithin and grenadine.
The problem presented is the modification of a conventional printer to change the printing material from polymer to chocolate. The presented printer worked perfectly, as we have been able to verify. And as a team, we have decided that the best option to achieve chocolate printing is manufacture a new printing heater capable of containing and melting the chocolate, printing with it, and also, I think it's very important, not to contaminate it. Another problem is the study of the behavior of chocolate during its melting and its composition. Depending on this, the parameters to be specified will change. Our chocolate-based project presents the objective of opening new horizons focused on the production of modified food for those with irregularities in the body, which doesn't allow them to properly digest daily foods, such as dysphagia. In addition, chocolate and candy components would benefit from the design for the manufacture of a single or a complex product.
Currently, we have started the production of the first prototype. We have started the machining of the part that holds the syringe. We get a syringe of 60 mm, a stepper motor that drives the gear mechanism of the structure, and in addition, we have the realization of the coil of micro cable that has the device.
The next step will be to produce a working prototype that provides us with better data related to the temperature for the chocolate. With the working prototype, we can also get more information about what printing speed is good and what temperature the heating bed should be. If necessary, we can also change the chocolate if the current one doesn't work properly. In the end, the converted 3D printer will be able to print simple 3D chocolate designs. The 3D designs will have a size of around 10 centimeters times 10 centimeters, but can be bigger if this size works properly. With this project, we hope to obtain a functional machine that prints food supplies derived from cocoa, which can have complex structures and diverse forms.